Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video and welcome back again to No Max TV. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can test your internet speed either in your mobile phone, either in your laptop. So I'm going to be doing this on the laptop, but it's the same way. So I'm going to be showing you the three platforms that you can use, or tools that you can use to be testing your internet speed. So it might be possible every time we want to be performing certain actions. You are planning to download the details on your laptop, you are planning to download the video on your phone. Also, you are planning to be maybe playing games, and you want to ensure that you have the enough internet speed. Also, you want to ensure that your internet speed is going well, so that it will not be aborted. So this can be helpful for you. So remember to subscribe to this channel Max TV, like this video, share this with your friends, and turn notification bell button so as you always get notified when we upload a new video here at Max TV. Without wasting time, let's get started. So now if you come into your browser and you type internet speed test, so you will see various tools in the browser that will be coming at the top. So the first one we're going to be using is this one, and we're going to be comparing the result that you might be getting, also to ensure that our test is working. So the first one is this one, which is our speedtest.net. The second is this one, which is fast.com, so which also I often use. So the second one is also, the third one is also speed test by also it's a speedcheck.org. You see they are the same, have domain names, but also it's different from the service, which is also .net. Other one is .org. So now let me try opening all these tools in different tabs, and also we'll try to test our internet and see how the result we are going to be getting. So this is speed. Now I can be closing this one. I have speedtest.net. I have this one, which is fast.com, and I have this one, which is speedcheck.org. So if you open immediately fast.com, it immediately start testing your internet speed. As you see, it is testing, not yet finished. Now for here, I have to click on this start test option. If I click to start test option, that is where it's going to be starting. Let me click there. So for speedtest.net, also I have to click this option, which is called go, so which means I have to start also testing. So now let me click here and also start. You can see it is checking the server, it is connecting. Already it has detected my tool, and also as well as my IP address of the tool that I'm using. You can see I have this IP address. You can see now it is testing. And also, as you can see, it is also proceeding with the test, so it would be showing every details here. So now you can see here from the fast.com, it has already finished testing, and now I have 3.9 MBs. Overall, I have 3.9 MBs per second. So for speedtest.org, I have also 3.94 MBs per second for downloads. You can see I have 11.24. so this is testing uploads. This upload I have 11 MBs per second. So and I have the length of 418.7 also megaseconds. As you can see, I have here now it is done. Let's see now the result we are having. So here we have the downloads speed, which is 2.87. Here we have also the one which is here we have 3.9. Here we have also 3.94. As you can see, these two are in the same length, 3.94, 3.9, also they are the same. So if you come here, I have 2.87. So this might be, or might have been caused also by different factors, including the change For example, let's try checking this one and see the result that it will bring. So you can see also to detect the IP ICP you are using, so which is internet service provider. So now let's try to test this one. You see, because the internet might be changing in the given way, depends on the internet you are using. So I'm testing the internet which is not stable because it is relying on ISP. So now I can use another internet. Now let me try connecting another internet to show you how these tools are going to be changing as well. So let me here connect to new internet. So if I connect to this internet and we try testing this one, we can see also the change. So it's going to be happening. So I'm going to be starting with this one again. Also I'm going to be starting with this one again, and also I'm going to be starting this one. Yes, start test, start, go. You see I have already changed the internet. You can see now I have the internet is rising up, which is to 18 point something MBs. You can see also this one is changing. Now this one, I'm waiting for this one. It is connecting. I have also the IP addresses as well. I have the services ICP, which is the internet service provider. You can see it is now detecting. Here you can see now in the internet has changed. I have also 17 MBs per second, which is different from the ones I had before, which was about 4 point something. So you can see I have here not yet detected, but also still waiting. Now let's see here. You can see here it is changing to 12, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, now let's wait and see the downloads internet speed and also the latency. We have also upload internet speed. Yes, okay, this one has got on error as well. So after doing the download test for a while, so you can also alternatively out this. You can see, let's try to refresh and see what is going to be happening to these two. So if those need to continue failing, that is where you can also be opening this one for free, as they are telling you to use the app. So it's app for desktop, but so it's the same as we are using the platform. So as you can see now here, it is having the 5.84 as well, which is also the download speed for my internet, my new internet speed I have already added. So as we can see, also this one is failing, but you can be using it as well, as we have already seen that. So if you want also to be testing the internet that you want to be using, also this is how you can be using this option, and also this will be helping you to know how you're going to be performing the certain actions of your internet, how you're going to be downloading the tools of your internet, and also how you're going to be doing everything with your internet. So as you can see, also it is now working, and also it is going to be showing you the locations where you are. So you can be using this way. And also thank you for watching this video. Like the video to so share this video to your friends. If you have any comment or suggestion, remember to leave it in the comment section. So remember to turn on notification bell so as you always get notified when you upload a new video here at Max TV.